this in terms of the quality. So yeah, I will be reusing this as soon as it finishes. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but Plant Made has started doing refillables, which is really cool. So basically you buy once the bottle container and you just buy the refill, which is really cool. So I think I'll probably do that if I enjoy my time with the products. So yeah, this is a 100 ml bottle. I love the feel, it's really sturdy. By the way, the reason why I chose to buy the products now is because I'm going traveling for quite a substantial amount of time, and what sold me is the idea of the soaps as opposed to carrying a bottle of shampoo and conditioner. And their science, according to Plant Made, say it's better, you know, basically. So I thought, whilst I'm on this journey out in good weather, let me also take care of my hair and invest, and hence we are where we are right now with these products. Anyway, so the Inches is also supposed to be aftercare after wash for growth, mend, and strengthening your hair. What is this? I don't remember. Oh, I think this is the free gift. The only things I paid for were these. So the soap and these two, the growth oil and the mist, the drizzle. And then they had a little promo going on the website for a massage or washing thing, and hydrating mist, which is another 150 ml bottle. Another spray bottle, okay. In any case, basically they're here. Oh, there's a little bit of leakage. Look at this. You can tell there's a bit of leakage inside, but the thing is so tight enough that it hasn't spilled. So those are the little, you know, attention to detail things that I personally love. And on top of the thing is there's a hole, I guess, for pressure to not build up. A lot of thought clearly has gone into this, which is really nice. And this is why I love doing unboxings, because I mean, obviously the proof is in the pudding. Let's use the products and let's see how we feel and let's see how it does over time. But these are first impressions. The soap, this is what I'm most excited about. If I was on a budget and I was tight on money, I would have just bought these two things and tried to survive with just these two. They smell soapy, but certainly not unpleasant. I like the smell. It's the kind of smell that you just keep smelling. So I got, it's called the Rain. This cleanses and this grows and this renews. So I'm assuming this is the shampoo. And then I'm assuming this is the conditioner, which nourishes, repairs and moistures. Really pretty packaging, simple but pretty. Again, handmade, multi-use, genderless, 100% plant. This is pretty much on all of the boxes. So this is the Dew, which I believe is the conditioner. Forgive me if I've got it wrong. I'm just going off of my memory right now. I love the smell of this. I mean, it smells like soap, but for some reason I really love it. I don't know how to measure, like, size-wise. I guess this says it's 100 grams. You know, it's quite squidgy, by the way. So when you press it, your fingerprints go on, and it also dents a little bit. So it's quite soft, not squidgy, soft. My only question mark is how I'm going to carry this with me in terms of storage, because obviously after you finish using it, you don't want to keep it soaking wet because the soap is rinsing away. And I hope it doesn't like break down and there's excess. I don't know, I guess we'll talk about that after I've used it. This smells very earthy, very green. You can tell, I feel like this is the oh no, this is the shampoo. My bad. I think this is the Dew is the conditioner. This is the shampoo bar. It says on the box, OHLEEN. Okay, so this smells very green. Not in a bad way, but I like the smell of this more than I like this. It's not bad, it's just in comparison. And this is, oh no, this is 85 grams of shampoo bar. This is not as, it's not as soft as the conditioner. You know, when I was saying earlier that when you press it, you can feel it. So straight away, I'm jumping into the shower with these two right now. That's gonna be part 2, so stick around for that or check it out. I never know where it is, but click somewhere, it will be somewhere on the screen. Part 2 will be like how in using these, how it's going, how I feel or how I felt. I'm going to do a 3 months update and then a 1 year update, Also, I did buy all of these products on subscription. It works out slightly cheaper. I put 45 days on most of them, so because obviously with anything you see results by consistent use, good or bad results. You really gauge by consistent use, and you can cancel anytime the subscription. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I'm a natural hair girly, so my hair has been natural for years now, and it's been through it. I've colored this hair, I've bleached it, I've done all sorts. It's been blonde all the way before, shaped it, started again. So I'm just gonna take out these 2 plaits and jump in the shower. I will see you in the next one. Bye.